Hi, I am GS Raghav, Certified Youth Motivation Speaker and the Director of Purpleaura Training Solutions with a vision to fight against the world suicide. Do you know where are the most talented people in this world? Just pause the video and think. The answer is the graveyard, where you will find the dreams that were never fulfilled, the steps that were never taken, the songs that were never sung, the idea that was never executed, the voice that was never spoken, the journey that was never traveled. We all are born and we all die, but we all do not truly live. Remember, only a person who knows his purpose can use his full potential and create a difference in the society. So knowing your purpose is very important. Then only you can contribute to the world. It's our courage which gives birth to our purpose. Do you know what is your purpose? Just pause the video and answer this question. It's your work which is your purpose. So let us discover how. Our life is very short. We all will die one day. So if you are doing a job which you don't like or which you hate, actually you are wasting your life. Actually, you are wasting your everything. So if we see the human cycle from birth to death, for example from 0 to 80, 90 or 100 age, so let us divide these range into three categories. First 0 to 20, the second 20 to 65, and the third one 65 plus to the end. If we talk about the first category, that is from 0 to 20, in this period we see our childhood, our teenagehood, then we become mature to face the world. In the second category, that is from 20 to 65, we work and we work. And after 65, that is the third category, we get retired. So majority of our life we spend working. Hence it's very important to do what you love, to find the purpose of your life and live it. But it's all opposite in this world. According to study in America, about 85% of people don't like what they do. They hate their job. And in China and Japan, it's about 94%. So most of the people spend their life doing what they don't like. So if you are doing a job which you don't like, you are wasting your time and your life. In that job you are just passing your life and your time. So if you are doing a job which you don't like, actually you are wasting your life. Actually you are missing what true life is and what are your true potentials. You are becoming a slave day by day. You wait for the weekends. Your life is full of complaints. You are just living. You are not alive in this world. So what is the solution? It's very simple. If you don't like your job, then quit it. Remember, it's okay to wake up tomorrow and reinvent yourself, to reinvent your life, and to go on a path where you can become a person you always wanted to be, as it's never late to start. You may be thinking that it's unrealistic, but if you are doing a job which you don't like, your children will do the same in the future. They will stop their dreams. They will not work for their dreams, they will just work for a living. So it's very important to do what you love, even if you make less money. We all will end up as dust. So it's very important to do what you like, which makes you happy. So I challenge you to rethink your life, to rebuild your life. It's okay to do what you love and make less money. So if you are doing what you don't like, change it. If you are not happy with it, then change it. It's okay to earn less money. But don't live your life on the judgment of other people. Be your own judge. Find your purpose of life and live it. Don't be so busy in making a living that you actually forget what life is. As life is short, do what you love. Do which makes you happy and be proud of it. So at last I want to say that you are not born to earn a living, to pay the bills and die. You are born to thrive. You are born to make a difference in the world. So don't waste your life. Find what you love and be the best in it. All the best.